Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this quick and easy Christmas stocking ornament. Quickly use up some fabric scraps and add some candy or a gift card and hang it on your tree. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the stocking and the cuff, a ribbon for the hanging loop, and the printable template. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the other piece on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Cut out the stocking template A or B and place the template on top with the toe facing to the right and cut out the stack. Starting at the top right edge, stitch the stocking together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, stopping just past the heel. Be sure to take your time on the curves. Open up the stocking and press the seam at the top edge to one side. With the wrong sides facing, fold the fabric for the cuff in half lengthwise and press it. Fold the ribbon in half to form a loop. Place the raw edges of the loop on the upper right-hand side of the raw edges of the fabric strip, about 1/2 inch from the short end. Open the stocking and place it on top of the cuff with the right side of the fabric facing up. Beginning at the upper right edge of the stocking and cuff pieces, align the top edges and pin it in place. Stitch along the top using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip the cuff up. Make sure the seam is facing toward the cuff, not the stocking. Align the raw edges of the unstitched section of the stocking and stitch the stocking from the heel up to the edge of the fabric piece. Do not stitch the cuff. Turn the stocking right side out and press it. Align the raw edges of the short ends of the cuff and stitch it together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Be sure to back tack at the beginning and end to provide additional security to the stitches. Then turn the cuff over the top of the outside of the stocking to finish the piece. And just like that, just that fast, you have a gift card holder, a candy holder, and a Christmas stocking ornament all in one. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.